Okay, sige. So, simula tayo ha. So, sa speaking test, basta don't forget to answer in 4 or more sentences ha. Answer in 4 or more sentences talaga. Oh, hindi pwedeng isang sentence lang. Masyadong maikli yun. So, damihan nyo para sigurado kayong pumasa. Kahit pa mga mali yung grammar nyo dyan, basta sumagot kayo ng 4 or more sentences, papasa talaga kayo. Kaya dapat pinanood nyo yung video na sinend ko.
Kaya nga,
Okay?
sinimulan ko lang.
Let's start. So, si Kath Peña muna, yung iba. Mute muna yung iba. Tapos, habang nag-speaking test si Kath, siyempre, mag-isip din kayo ng answers dun sa mga questions, ha? Lalo na yung topic sa part 2. Baka kasi yun na maging topic mo, eh. Yung mga questions, baka yun na maging questions mo. Okay? So, dapat mag-isip din kayo ng answers. Okay? Start tayo. Ivan, mute muna, Ivan. Mute ka muna ano muna natin, si Kath Peña munang paanohin natin. Okay, sige. Alright, let's start. What's your name, please?
My name is Catherine Peña Forte. My name came from my grandmother, which actually means purity or pure. To my family, they call me Irene. And to my friends and daughter, they usually call me Kathy.
Okay, that's great. And where are you from?
I'm from Philippines, Manila, particularly in Parañaque, which is known for its events and some festivals like Comedia. And also, this is where one of the biggest malls in the world is located, which is called Mall of Asia. And my hometown usually a small and reside in a traffic place in Parañaque. But recently, I moved to Pampanga, where I do my work, and also I live with my daughter in Pampanga.
Okay.
My family is in Parañaque.
Okay, okay. All right, that's cool. That's cool. And what do you do?
Currently, I'm working as a caregiver here in Israel. For next year, it will be 3 years now. I'm taking care of an older woman, basically doing everything for her from bathing and giving medicine. And we are situated in Ra'anana, which is a beta bota called Palace.
Okay, that's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about music. What music do you like?
I prefer slow music. I'm a people of variety. Also, I like other type of music, but preferably slow music because it calms me a lot, and also it makes me distress from work, detach everything from my work, and also I was able to think, and it is a sort of therapy for me. So although I like different type of music, I prefer slow music.
Okay, that's great. And what music do you dislike?
I don't like loud music, rock, heavy metals, mainly because at my age, I don't really understand the meaning of it or the lyrics of it. And also, loud music for me disturb my peace. And also, I just don't like how the young people perform it. Because basically for me, that's noise. So I
Okay.
don't like loud music.
Okay, that's great. That's great. What music do your friends like?
I don't really know what they like, but
Mhm.
since most of my friends is we're on the same age level, so
Mhm.
I think they usually like romantic music, romance music. Only few like jazz or pop music. Maybe the younger ones prefer that one. But basically, I would think, though I really don't know their preference, I would say it will be same as mine.
Okay, that's great. That's great. What's the most popular type of music in your country?
In our country, in my generation, I would say um, it is in the 80s where, how do you call that kind of music? Uh, it's not pop, but nowadays, because music industry was being governed mostly by young generations, so they like more K-pop music, Korean music, That's what I'm seeing in social media. And also they like where they could dance into the beat of music. But in our age, it's like jazz, I think. That's the popular one. Or country
Okay.
music.
Okay, very good. Very good. So, which singer or musician would you like to see in person?
I would like to see in person. I don't have any. I don't know much about musicians because I'm not really into music. But given a chance or opportunity, I would like to see Sharon Cuneta. Mainly because back then she was an icon in the music industry, and also she's also doing some movies. So I was able to watch her grow, and also she was on my age level, so I can relate to her music, and it's just nice to hear because it her music tells a story, and also it was being used to her movies as well.
Okay, great job. Let's move on to part 2 of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. You might have the same topic in the actual test. Okay, this will be your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
Um, just to give you a background story, I have this friend who is a pastor. I've known uh, her since we're very young. We basically grew up together, and then she faced this hardship in life, and it was her advocate to help stray children because she told me this is where she grew up. She mostly stays on the street where she actually meet a lot of different types of people from came from depressed, broken family, and also some of the kids really don't have roof. So she doesn't have much, but seeing her giving food to the stray children, some she actually sponsored 30 children she sponsored going to school. Not basically she give shelter for them, but she just helping support and foster those kids. And it is beneficial because the kid was able to grow up with a goal in their life, and they were even focused on their what they want to be, and also they became a good person that they don't want to go back to the street anymore. And why she's doing that, maybe because just she doesn't want others to feel what she was able to experience before, and also she want to teach those kids the value of life, that there's more on the street, that they can do better, and they could also help others, providing some good services. So given that story, I was able to see what she contributed to her community. She was able to reach out not just to other organizations, but she was also established a foundation for that street children, where up to now it is still recognized in Pampanga, and they are continuing helping and supporting not only the children but also to their parents, to just give them some work, and also just be productive on their time, and not just to always on the street and let those children unattended on the street.
Okay,
And
very good. Yeah, that's already 2 minutes. Good job, good job. Oh, magaling si Castenya sa speaking, ha?
speaking
Na-pressure si Val
naman nga
sa'yo.
ako.
Na-pressure si Val sa'yo. Okay. Although there were minor
Dapat
mistakes sa grammar, but your speaking test was really good. Fluency is there. With that speaking test, you might get 7.0. Okay, baka maka 7.0 ka dyan sa speaking test mo. Okay,
thank you,
congratulations.
sir.
Very good, very good. Isang point lang, tandaan mo to ha. During the speaking test, kapag tao ang pinapa-describe sa inyo, always mention the name. Okay? So tandaan nyo, always
Okay.
mention the name at saka yung relationship mo sa kanya, kaano-ano mo siya. Baka mamaya kasi kaibigan mo or mayor ba siya sa inyo, ganun ha. Mention the name, age. Yung age nyo, describe mo yung age niya at saka yung physical appearance niya. Okay?
Okay, sir.
At saka ano
Noted.
yung trabaho niya. Ganun, basta tao ha, tandaan nyo, basta tao yung pinapa-describe, i-mention nyo talaga yung pangalan, importante yan. Kasi siyempre, dinidescribe mo siya kung ano nagawa niya, tapos hindi mo na-mention yung pangalan kung sino, di ba? I-mention mo talaga ha. Tapos sabihin mo kung ano
Sige
yung
po.
relationship mo doon sa kanya. But very good, fluency is definitely there. Baka maka 7.0 ka doon. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
congratulations. Sure ball ka na sa speaking. Sure ball ka na sa speaking. Okay, sige next. Magaling si Cass, magaling si Cass. Sino susunod? Next, Kat din, Cathy. Para ubusin natin yung mga Cass. Ganun lang sumagot ha. Ganun lang sumagot. Magaling si ano. Sana nakakuha kayo ng idea doon kay ano ha. Ng idea kay Cass Peña, okay? Let's start, Cathy. Okay. What's your name, please?
My name is Catherine. I am Cathy to all my friends. I am the youngest among 5 siblings, and I am married with 2
Okay.
children.
Okay, sige. Hindi mo napanood yung video no na sinend ko.
Napanood.
Panood, okay. So, hindi nanood ka ng mga videos ng speaking test, hindi?
Nanood ko.
Nanood, okay. Kung napansin nyo si Castaña kanina, yung answer niya sa question, about name lang.
Name lang, okay.
Kasi yung question, about name lang. What's your name?
Name lang.
Okay, so wag ka mag-discuss ng iba, focus ka lang dun sa question, about the name lang. Pag tinanong about your city, focus ka lang din sa city mo. Ganun ha? So, ganun dapat ang answer ha? Okay, again, let's start. Okay. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Catherine. I am Cathy to all my friends. I don't know what the origin of my name is, but they tell me that my mother takes it from some sort of a queen named Catherine.
Okay, that's good. And where are you from?
I am from the Philippines. I came from a little province. It's called Leyte. And I came from a town called Carigara. It's a small town near in between seas and a forest. I am living in an urban place.
Okay. And what do you do?
Currently, I am a caregiver here in Israel. I am taking care of an old woman. I basically do everything for her. I help her in her daily living activities, such as bathing. I cook for her, do the shopping, and everything that she can't do, I do it for her.
Okay, that's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Okay. First, let's talk about staying up. Okay. Do you often stay up late?
In my kind of work, I stay up late due to the how do I say this? I stay up late due to I stay up late due to the needs of my patient, which is sometimes I had to change her diaper late at night before I go to sleep, just to make sure that she won't be sleeping wet in her bed. And sometimes being away from the family, I have to stay up late because of the time gap that we had. Sometimes I had to stay late just to wait for my children to wake up in the Philippines in the morning, because I want to see them um before they are going to school. That's why sometimes I stay late
Okay.
at night.
All right. All right. Did you stay up late when you were a kid?
No, I don't remember staying up late at night when I was a kid, because our routine. I live in an urban place where people and basically my family don't stay up late at night. We used to sleep early because in the morning we have to wake up early also, so we can't be late in going to school. And we don't have electricity at that time yet, so we have to conserve our oil that we use for the light. So we have to sleep early to consume also the energy that we use in our house.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. What do you do when you stay up late?
In here, sometimes I listen to music.
Mm.
It helps me calm, and sometimes I see videos of reflections so that my mind would be at peace before I sleep. And I I sometimes take notes of what to do the following day, so that I had to arrange all those activities orderly the following day.
Okay. So what does it feel like the next morning if you stay up late?
My body is already immune to it, so basically I don't feel anything new the other day, even when I wake up late. It's just feel it's my routine already in here. That's why I don't feel anything at all,
Okay, that's
any
great.
difference in my body.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, you would need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? This will be your topic. The rest of you think of an answer for the same topic. You might have the same topic in the actual test. All right, your 1 minute starts now.
Once, desperate to cancel the message, I took a great risk into the area of up in the queue, directly outside her own.
Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. And there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk, and you can start.
A happy experience in my childhood that I remember most often is that I had this birthday celebration, which was done by my parents for me in school. It is always in my memory because it is a happy one. I came from a family not so well off family. My parents also only can provide our needs. That's why it is so special for me. And they only did it once for me. So I remember it somehow because now that I am a parent myself, I do it for my children also, and I know the feeling that they felt because it is the feeling that I felt the same way when my parents did it for me. And then it just reminds me of a happy childhood. And this memory is the memory that I want to be imparted to my children. And then it brings back all the happy memories that I had during those times, and it gives me the feeling also to give my children what I haven't experienced during that time also. And I know the feeling that my parents were doing their best just to provide those things for me. And then it just give me the feeling of being a child, being just happy, celebrating a birthday, and not remembering anything. No more, no. How do you call this? No.
Mm-hmm.
She wasn't the only one we are interested in. Russian festival.
You can make your own story.
Sir?
Okay, all right. That's the end of our speaking test. Okay. O maganda naman yung speaking test mo. Doon ka lang nagkulang. Patapos na kasi eh. Patapos na. Okay, patapos na yung part 2 mo. Again, you can make story in the speaking test. Pwede kayong gumawa ng kwento. Okay, kung makalimutan mo, di mag-switch ka ng iba. Switch ka ng ibang idea ha. Switch ka sa ibang idea. Ganun lang yun. Pero maayos yung speaking test mo. Maganda yung speaking test mo. So most likely, baka maka 6.0 ka pa doon.
Pwede pala ganun, sir. Pwedeng hindi ka lang isang idea. Pwede mo siyang i-expand pa to another.
Yung topic, sabi ko, di ba, nakalimutan mo yung idea. O, di gawa ka na ibang kwento, pero naka-topic. Tung ka pa rin sa topic. Alangan namang hindi.
Okay.
Di ba, out of topic ka. Dapat tung ka pa rin sa topic. Gumawa ka. Sabi ko nga, yung speaking test kasi, kung pinanood yung video, yung speaking test, tsaka writing test, hindi kailangan totoo yan. Tatanungin ka ba ng examiner? Sabihin ba ng examiner sa'yo na, okay, stop. Let me call your mother and ask if that is true. Gaganon ba yung examiner sa'yo during speaking test? O di ba hindi? Wala kasi silang pakialam kung totoo yung sinasabi nyo o hindi. Kasi speaking test, English test kasi ito, hindi to honesty test. Okay? Kung gumawa ka lang ng kwento, sarili mong kwento doon, di na dire-diretso mo na siya. Okay? Pero maganda pa rin yung speaking test mo. Baka maka 6 kasi fluent eh. Nandun yung fluency eh. Okay? Very good. Baka maka 6.0 ka doon. 6.0. Good job. Good job. Magagaling yung dalawang cast natin. Magaling. Napapressure na si Val. Okay. 6.0 kay Cathy doon. Si Kath Peña. Magaling si Kath Peña. Baka maka 7 siya doon. Okay. Next. Sige. Sino sunod? Val. Ikaw na, Val. Nga ano dyan. Umayos ka. Baka dumating yung amo mo eh.
Oo, basta pag
Ikaw na. Baka
nag-live ako,
dumating
sir,
amo mo.
nakat na.
Sige. Huwag ka muna mag-leave.
The fish,
Baka naman.
the head.
Okay. Let's start. I-mute ko muna si Cheryl.
Only this one?
Ngay Cheryl. Sige. Alright, let's start. What's your name, please?
Hi, I'm Valen Hazel Salazar. My name my name is recommended by my cousin because she really likes that name. And that day when I was born, she met with this friend, so she recommended it to my mother. So my mother, it is a February, so they took it also to Valentine's Day, so they call me Valen Hazel.
Okay, that's good. And where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. I'm from the north. It's in Isabela, which is the second largest province in the Philippines, which is, you can find also there the largest dam in Asia. They called it that's located in our province.
Okay. And what do you do?
I'm working, currently I'm working as a caregiver. I'm working to an old man, which is, he's still capable to do anything. I'm just accompanying him in his house, cooking, but I'm helping him bathing, cooking, and sometimes I'm accompanying him going to the doctor and do some grocery for him.
Okay, that's great. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about happy things. Is there anything that makes you happy lately?
Yeah. Sometimes I already downloaded a online shopping in my phone. So every time I get upset and stress, this is my like a stress reliever or make me happy. I do online shopping, so this is makes me happy.
Okay, very expensive stress reliever. All right, and what made you happy when you were little?
Uh, when my mother and my father, because I am the only child, I have a sibling, but it's in my mother's side. But with my mother and my father always took me out when I was young. We're not that we don't have enough, but my father and my mother usually, especially when it's after the harvesting time, we went to the mall, something like that, go to an outing, go to visit my sisters and my brother.
Okay, okay. What do you think will make you feel happy in the future?
Make me happy if ever God's will, I will be in Canada, and there I will be already have a baby, and I think that's it.
Uh-huh, okay, okay. When do you feel happy at work?
When do I feel happy at work? When I'm cooking, because I love cooking. Especially I'm cooking with with my employer, and later on I'm also preparing for my husband. Cooking is really a hobby for me. I really love to cook, especially cooking Filipino food. And especially I'm cooking for my husband.
Okay. Do you feel happy when buying new things?
Yeah, of course. I love shopping. I love shopping, especially if I'm doing it with my husband. I especially we do where every time we have free, we go to shopping, and we have extra money, we go to shopping together.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, you would need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you, you know what to do. That's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. You can start.
The very important decision I made in my life is to stay in Israel while my mom is already got sick. So I really need to stay in Israel because I need to support my mom and to support what he needs. He got really sick because of he got a colon cancer. I need to support her everything that she needs. I need to be to send money to at least give everything what she needs. And also that very important to me also to stay here in Israel. This is really the hardest part of my life, to make a really important decision, because I need to stay with my husband while my mom is already it's sick. It's she's asking me to go home, but I need to stay to support her. And not only that one, I need to stay with my husband to help him also to finish what we had in the Philippines. Our house is still ongoing, and also we have a car that we are all still paying, and also I need to stay with my husband to also we are planning to have baby, so that for the next couple of years we'll already have baby. And also it's really hard, it's really a big decision, important decision for me, because we don't have enough money in the Philippines, so I am just the only one who have the source to finance my parents also. And also if I'm going home, I will leave my husband here, and also I can't come back in Israel. That's why I need to do a really really important
All right,
decision.
all right. That's already 2 minutes. Good job. Good job. Oh, magagaling naman pala kayo sa speaking. Okay. So, most likely dun sa speaking test mo, baka maka 6.0 ka din dun. Okay, most likely baka maka 6.0 ka pa. Pag na-improve mo pa yung fluency, baka tumaas pa. Okay? Oh, at least 6.0 ha, at least 6.0. Good job, good job. Oh, pasado na kayo sa speaking. Magagaling naman pa kayo pala kayo mag-speaking eh. Nape-pressure na yung iba dito. O Cheryl, okay ka na dyan, Cheryl? Ha? Okay ka na
Okay
dyan?
po,
Ikaw na?
habang
Ikaw?
kumakain alaga ko.
Oh, sige, ikaw na muna. Sige,
Aray.
habang kumakain alaga mo. Okay, let's start. All right? What's your name, please?
My name is Cheryl Dacpano. My friend called me Shelly, and you can call me Shelly as well. My name came from my mother, my mother's grandparent, who she admired most. So that's why she called me Cheryl.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Parklang village of the northern part of Philippines called La Union, and it is there's a lot of farm, and you can only hear there a lot of animals like birds chirping, um, and the roosters that are shouting, especially in the morning, and only the wind that is blowing. That's all.
Okay, and what do you do?
Currently I'm working as a caregiver here in Israel, and I'm taking care of elderly woman who has baka marinig niyo.
Mhm.
Who has like that. So
Okay.
I always take care of her in I assist her in taking a bath, in having appointment for medical from every week, and she needs also to change diapers in the night,
Mm.
also to cook for her food every day, three times a day actually,
Okay,
and
okay. All
to
right.
make her calm every day.
Okay. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. Let's talk about noise. Which noise do you think makes louder? Okay, which louder? In cities or in the countryside?
I think in the city, because it's we all know that it's incredibly congested part. There's a lot of cars, pollutions, and crowd. It is crowded, so it's more noisy than the countryside.
Okay. Which places make a lot of noise?
Places where when it here in Israel, I think it's in the capital city. It's called the Tel Aviv because in there you can see people who are more religious. They are party people. That's what I know. That's what I observed here. They are more and going in the night, going out some gigs, like there's group of people they are singing, dancing in the street.
Okay. Would you like to stay in a noisy place or in a quiet place?
I prefer to stay in a quiet place because in that case you can think, um, you can decide, you can relax, and you can also have a lot of things to decide what to do. And that's all, I think.
Are there any places, noisy places that you like?
I think only in a party, especially if the party is from your um relatives, family, it's more funny and it's more um it's more fun if it's the noisy part is with your
Mm,
family members, unlike in other
okay,
service.
okay. All right. All right. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? The rest of you can also think of an answer for the same topic. There we go. That's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Right, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
The crowded people I visited is it is in the Battle of the Band. There's a lot of band there groups that they sing, they dance with different people, and I don't like it. I hate noisy place and crowded place. It is the city fiesta in our place, and I am with my boyfriend recently, but now he is my husband. Even though I hate that noisy and crowded place, I used to it because I am with my boyfriend, so it makes me more comfortable to attend or to join with them. And I I'm not as what I told you, I'm not used to it because I prefer to stay indoors inside the house. I prefer to stay in my room because in my room I have time for everything. Unlike in going out, especially to crowded place or crowded people, because I'm not that a woman that socialize with other people, because if you do, you have a lot of people to need to be talked with, to um and wala pang 2 minutes, sir.
Wala pang 2 minutes. Ano, sabi sa inyo, pag kayo nang nasa speaking test, mahaba yung 2 minutes. Kala mo maikli lang. Okay. Okay,
parang-
alright. Ang mangyayari niyan, pag naubusan kayo ng ideas, magpapaikot-ikot yung sinasabi mo. Di ba, paikot-ikot na yung sinasabi mo. Okay, don't worry kasi recorded naman to para at least mapakinggan nyo naman yung speaking test nyo kasi at least makakuha kayo ng ideas, di ba, sa mga answers ng iba. Maayos naman yung speaking test mo. Okay, pero wag ka mag-stop dun sa part 2. Tandaan nyo, sa part 2, wag kayo mag-stop. Not unless sinabi na examiner, ha? Kasi meron kasing timer dun eh. May clock kasi yung examiner. Okay, may clock ang examiner. So, wag kayo mag-stop hangga't hindi niya sinasabi. Okay, good job, good job. Maganda yung speaking test mo. Actually, maganda yung speaking test mo. Most likely, halos pareho lang kayo na score ni ni Cassie tsaka ni Val eh. Okay, so around 6.0 yung mga scores niyo sa speaking test. Tataas pa yan. Basta mag-practice pa kayo ha ng mga topics. Practice lang, tataas pa talaga yan. Okay, good job, good job. Walang mababa sa 6 ah. Okay. Pressured na yung iba dito. Sino next? Okay, pressured na. Ivan? Anong ginagawa mo, Ivan? Anong ginagawa ni Ivan?
Kailan, sir? Nasakyanan.
Ano ka? Nagda-drive ka o ano?
Sa labas, sir.
Nasa labas. Oh, ready ka na?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay lang. Okay, sige.
Okay lang ba yun?
Sige. Gayahin mo yung ginawa nila ha? Gayahin mo yung ginawa nila kasi magagaling sila mag-speaking eh. Oh. Okay?
3.0 na ako, sir.
3.0.
Nakakaya naman sa ila, sir.
Basta sumagot ka lang ha. Importante dyan, sumagot ka lang. Okay? Basta 4 or more
Okay, sir.
sentences, sumagot ka. Huwag mo na alalahanin yung grammar. Kahit magkamali ka sa grammar, papasa ka pa rin naman. Alright? Let's start. Let's
Okay,
start.
here we go.
Alright. What's your name,
Let's
please?
do this. My name is John Ivan Dominic Rama. And he gave my name of my grandparents. And just call my name for short, Ivan.
Okay, and where are you from?
I live in the Philippines, Davao del Norte, Tagum City, the popular city of the Mindanao. We call the Tagum City is the popular city of the Mindanao because of the giant Christmas tree. There's a lot of foods. There's a lot of fruits. Just we call durian. There's a lot of everything. There's a lot of beaches. If you want to visit our country, just enjoy it. And it's more fun in the Philippines.
How much for the beaches? Beaches. Ibang beach pala yun. Okay. Okay. And what do you do?
As for now, I came to visit my
What do you do means what's your
cousin.
job, ha? What do you do means what's your job?
From
Okay,
now,
again.
for my job.
Sige. What do you do?
For now, for my hello, sir.
Yeah, yes, continue.
Here we go. I can open my business, sir. Then my business is flower shop. I'm self-employed because I'm already unskilled on my business that we call the florist. Then I make him to other people think that to buy a flower that we love once, then sometimes I already
Mhm. Okay, let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. All right.
okay.
Let's talk about furniture. Do you have a lot of furniture at home?
Yes, sir. There's a not a lot, sir, but
Mhm.
there's a furniture in here. Furniture is very important to me because I mean, our our uh, uh
Gawa ka lang ng kwento.
na-pressure ako, sir.
Okay. Next question.
Oh,
When
sige,
was the
sir.
last time you bought a new furniture?
There's a lot last time for my furniture.
When was the last time you bought a new furniture?
I brought my furniture, sir. There's a last time I buy the furniture for uh July. I buy the furniture in July, sir, and I came to buy it, but because of my child, to preparing my child of, because there's a lot of t-shirt, a lot of everything that I brought there. Then sometimes I put the furniture because skip na lang, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's move on to part 2.
So,
Okay. Part 2 of our speaking test. All right. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay. The rest of you, this is a very common topic, so think of an answer also. It's a very common topic in speaking. All right. There you go, Ivan. Your 1 minute starts now. All right. Your 1 minute. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay. There you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
this is my experience to shopping the mall.
Mm.
I shop I shop for the mall because I brought everything for my child that totally has freaking thing. Then I buy that I buy that I buy that food to the I I buy I buy for everything for my child. Then I thought it was good, but he told my wife, because what you buy that for? Yeah, because of everything for my child. Then why you buy this? But based on my experience, because
Okay? Oh, that's it. Alright, sige. So, practice
sige,
lang ha,
wala
practice
din.
lang. Oh,
Pakita sir.
note ka muna mga videos, okay? Oh. Ito recorded naman to, pwede mo rin panoorin to. Alright, sige.
Sige, sir.
Next, si Brens. Ready ka na, Brens?
Sige sir, try.
Oh, wala na, ikaw na lang eh. Kasi si Jenner hindi pa
Ay, ako na
pwede
lang
eh.
pala.
Oo.
Sir, pwede na po. Nung umalis na yung bisita ko, pwede na.
Pwede ka na.
Siya na muna daw, sir.
Oh, ikaw na muna, si
Sige,
Jenner.
sir.
Sige, pagkatapos mo na lang, muna ka na. Nagpapakain pa naman ako eh. Para pagkatapos mo
Sige,
tapos
sige,
na din ako
mauna ka
magpakain.
na. I'll give that chance to you. Back to you.
Sige,
Ikaw na muna.
Sige na ako
Okay.
na para matapos. Okay lang.
Okay, sige, let's start. Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. What's your name, please?
I'm Jenny Perez. You can call me Jerry. My friends also call me Jerry. And my name came from my parents' name, mixed name of my father and my mother. And that's
Okay.
it.
Okay, and where are you from?
I originated from Pampanga, the capital city of San Fernando, where you found the famous Lantern Festival every year. So we have the different kind of lanterns in the Pampanga, and also where you found the special cuisines in our town.
Okay, and
And that's it.
yeah, what's your job?
I'm currently a caregiver here in Israel. I work with a woman. We live together in the same house. My daily routine is to help her well proper grooming, help her to shower, and also I help her to do her routine, everyday activities like stitch, how do you call it? I forgot, but they made the ceramics,
Mm.
they made the wool, they called it wool. But that's
Okay.
it, everyday activity.
Okay, all right, that's good. Let's move on to part
Okay.
one of our speaking test. Okay. Let's talk
Okay.
about celebrities. Who's your favorite celebrity from your country?
Um, I have a lot of favorite celebrities in our country, but if you ask me person, one person, I would suggest Gary V, Gary Valenciano. He's a singer and also he's a actor and also he is a very good dancer. And I love him because especially he knows how he sang very well.
Mhm.
And because I love to sing, I can sing also. That's why he is my favorite. And he also he loves to dance. I love to dance also. I love his moves. And I think where we have the same common habit or talent. That's why I like him.
Okay. Have you ever met a celebrity face to face?
Yeah, I met him in person. I met him, Gary Valenciano, in person. And they give me also the opportunity to 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 be with in his concert. They took some few dancers from our churches because I am a Christian and he is also a Christian. And they took some dancers from different kind of churches and he made a concert in our anniversary. So I met him in person. So we do rehearsals and
Mhm.
a little bonding. So that's it.
Okay. Do you prefer listening to a music concert or a music concert on TV or going to a live show?
Yeah, I love watching and listening music from television and also in all social media platforms. But if I given a chance to be in a concert, of course, it's a opportunity for me, and I am happy to be with in that concert. You can sing together with the singer. You can hear the live music, and you can how do you call it, of course it's very a different feeling when you are in the live concerts.
Okay, all right, that's great. Let's move on to part 2 of our speak and test. Okay, I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you would need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay, the rest of you, think of an answer for the same topic. All right, there you go. That's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. January.
Sir, no,
Hmm.
baka lang. Hindi ko po nakikita, pero okay lang, naririnig ko po kayo. Nawala yung
Ah,
screen ko. Naririnig niyo naman po ako na, sir.
yes, okay, you can start. Yes.
Okay. Okay. My favorite actor he's a Hollywood actor. His name is Jackie Chan. And I love watching his movie, different kind of movies. And one of his famous movie that I like, the Karate Kid.
Mm.
I love it because he's an old man there, and there is a kid that he teach a kid that came from a poor family, and then they bully the kid. So he's the person who helped the kid to boost his confidence to fight, or to how do you call it, to because there are a lot of kids there. They are trying to hit him, and they're trying to make a trouble with the kid. But when Jackie Chan saw it, so he took that kid and he teach him a lot of skills so he can protect himself. And Jackie Chan is a Chinese actor, and not only in China, and different world they know him. He's very famous. So that's why I like Jackie Chan, and I am hoping that he would make another movie, because many years ago I don't watch I didn't watch him new movies. So I hope he create a good one this coming year, or in the future.
Okay, all right. That's already 2 minutes. Good job, good job. Okay. All right. Ganyan ba yung ginawa mo sa speaking last time o hindi? Mas mahabang mga sagot mo ngayon.
Sir, marami pong tanong sa akin. Hindi lang po ano. Siguro naka 8
Ah.
or 10 tanong sa akin.
12 ang
Matagal
question
po
sa
kami
part 1. 12 questions sa part
Opo.
1. May 12 questions sa part 1 kasi
Tama.
for 3
Opo.
topics yan, tagtatatlong taga-4 na questions sa 3 topics. Okay?
Yung
So,
topic po na binigay sa akin is yung una, dun lang umikot. Pero nagpalit siya. Malayo po sa topic yung pangalawang
ganun
tanong.
yan.
Pero
Basta
pagkatapos,
sa part 1 kasi,
Opo.
iba-iba talaga ang topics niya kasi personal questions yun eh. Iba-ibang topics niyan sa part 1. Okay? Hindi lang isa, iba-iba topic. 3 yan. 3 topics yan sa part 1 ha. 3 topics yan sa part 1. Okay, sige, maayos naman yung speaking test mo. Baka halos pareho lang naman kayo ng mga speaking test eh. So, mga 6.0, ganun yung scores nyo. Okay? Pwede pa mag-improve yan. Basta mag-practice pa kayo. Okay, practice pa. Actually, yung mga scores nyo talaga, maganda yung scores nyo. Nasa 6.0 yan. Okay, nasa 6.0 yan. Good job. Hindi yan bababa sa 6.0. Pag nag-practice kayo, di aakyat pa yan ha. Very good. Yun naman pala. Magaling naman pa kayo sa speaking eh. Sigurado na yung pasado ha. Yung reading na lang problemahin nyo. Reading na lang problemahin nyo. Brens, reading na lang problemahin nyo. Gawin nyo yung homework sa reading. Brens.
Wala na talagang choice. Ako na.
Ikaw na, wala nang choice.
Pero nawawala
Wala.
na. Kanina pa nung nag-start kay Ivan, nawawala yung pinapakita mo yung part 2, yung mga questions. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang.
Bakit?
Kung kaninong signal yun, kung sa akin ba or sa'yo. Nawawala.
Malamang sa'yo. Kasi ikaw lang.
Okay.
kasi ikaw lang. So malamang sa'yo.
Then nag-start kay Ivan. Oo, yung pinakita mo yung ano. Okay.
Malamang sa'yo. Malamang sa'yo.
Oh, sorry.
Let's start. Sige, let's start. Okay. What's your name, please?
Good evening. I'm Brenda Adiwang, and this name was taken from an American book brought by an American missionary to my mom. It was a present given to her, and that was the time she was pregnant. And when she gave birth to me, she find a name and find my name Brenda, and they call me Brents or Brensky when I went to school. But my mom called me Ace. You know, in a card game, there is a winning piece called Ace, and I'm my mom's winning piece because I'm the only girl in the family. So she called me Ace.
Okay. All right. And where are you from?
I'm from the northern part of the Philippines, geographically located where the climate is cool. They also call it the summer capital of the Philippines. It is in Benguet and specifically in the city of Baguio. A lot of tourists go there for this type of climate. They want to experience also the cold climate.
Okay. And what do you do?
Currently, I'm a caregiver here in Israel. I'm working to an elderly woman, and she is an independent woman who can do her personal agendas, like doing his personal hygiene in the morning, evening. She can do it by herself, but cooking, cleaning, doing all the household chores, I do it for her because she has dementia and she tends to forget mostly of the things that she needs to do, and her eyes is not functioning well. So every month she has an injection in both of her eyes.
Okay. Let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about plants. Do you like plants?
Plants. I love planting and plants. So, because I was born in a province where the main livelihood of the people is from agriculture. So my parents used to be a gardener when I was younger, and I always go with them in the garden, like picking the beans, removing some weeds. So even though I came here in Israel, I also do the planting. So my employer have a very nice backyard. So we do the gardening together, planting some ornamentals, and because she only have the ornamental plant around, and I bought some seedlings from Philippines and also here in Israel. So I tried to plant it around the backyard. So just this summer season, I
harvested some of the bell peppers that I planted. I also have the siling laboyo. We call it siling laboyo in Filipino. So my
Okay.
neighbors who are Filipinos
Alright.
also ask from me the siling laboyo every time when they have a outing on the seaside.
Okay. Have you ever
Yeah.
given a plant as a gift?
Well, yes, of course. My husband knows that I love a plant, and so like during my birthdays or some occasions that my husband have the chance to give me a plant, she would give me just like on the uh, previous years we experienced the pandemic and everyone became they call themselves plantita and I'm one of them. So she would give me a present, a succulent plant. Some of them are the rare ones that you cannot easily find, and she would give he my husband would give me those presents, and so I will do some propagation from cutting, grafting. I would do some sort of things just to make them, to provide to propagate more. And from that plants, I
Mm-mm.
also gain because during the pandemic we sold some planted that I propagate, same as my mother-in-law. We both have the same hobby.
Okay. Okay. All right. That's
Yes.
good. Do you like going to street markets?
Mm, I would say not like totally, not 100% like going to street market, but have because my husband like going there in street market because in our city we have that night market and all the things from other countries. They call it ukay ukay, starting assorted clothes, shoes. You can find some branded items where you cannot find on the malls. Usually on the malls you can see those the same items that you can met other people and oh you're wearing the same cloth. But when you go to ukay ukay, you can find like one of the item you can find in the US because they send those items from other countries, and these businessmen doing the ukay ukay business, they sold, and yeah, you can find
Okay.
items there.
All
Well,
right. All right.
yeah,
Do
yeah.
you prefer to buy food from street markets or supermarkets?
I would prefer buying it in the street markets for the reason that I would like to help other people too. I was once in a situation wherein we don't have enough when it comes to financial, and those people, why they're on the street? They want to sell their products for financial needs, and that's one reason that I want. Like I was once in their shoes, and I want to help. And if I could help them through buying their product, I would do it always.
Okay. Okay. That's great.
Yeah.
Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. After 1 minute, you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes. Okay. The rest of you, this is a very common topic. So think of an answer for the same topic. Okay. There you go. All right. Your one
Information.
starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk and you can start.
I had this unusual meal when I was working in Hong Kong way back. It's a decade ago, long time. And my Chinese employer asked me to cook a soup for dinner, and the ingredients includes a dried cockroach, a dried roots of plants, and some part of meat. It's a pork. And I cooked it for like an hour. And during the dinner, we all gathered together, and each one had a bowl of rice, and the viand was all around the table. And they asked me to serve the soup, in which I am thinking if I'm going to have one too, but I don't have a choice because I have to eat with them, and so I had to take the soup, put in my bowl too. I'm the one who prepared it, and I'm the one also who served it. It was unusual for me because who would, for me, who would in her right mind to eat a cockroach? Because we know that a cockroach is an insect. But well, I come to realize that there's always a reason for that. They say it's a tonic. That soup is a tonic to make life longer, to avoid sicknesses, to cure some illnesses that you already have. So, but for me, who is not who is not born in that kind of culture, is very unusual. And but I had a great night having that unusual meal with me, with that soup, because it's with the meat also, so you wouldn't feel the taste of the cockroach. You will have the flavor of the meat, the flavor of the root from the plants, and some like they always put MSG to the soup, so you won't feel the unusual the flavor of the cockroach. So there, I was working in a family in Hong Kong way back, and I have those kind of experiences, an unusual eating.
All right, all right. That's already 2 minutes. Okay, good job, good job. Okay. So kumain ka nun, may cockroach.
No choice, sir, kasi kaharap ko sila. Parang gusto kong itapon, pero sige na nga, sabi nyo, nakaka-cure
Cockroach
yan. May
talaga?
sakit ng
Cockroach talaga?
Oo, sir. Oh, sir, pero nung ano naman, inaral, parang tinanong-tanong ko, pero hindi naman siya yung cockroach daw talaga na yung nangangain ng mga dumi sa labas. It was yung pina-farm ba, inaalagaan din. Gaya ng uod na inaalagaan para para gamitin sa silk, ganun.
Bala ka sa
Yun
buhay
is
mo dyan.
inaalagaan daw.
Okay, good job, good job.
Hindi ko
Magaling,
na
magaling
inulit
si
sa
Brent, di ba?
susunod.
Magaling si Brent sa speaking, oh. Galing si Brent sa speaking, baka maka 7.0 ka dun, Brent. Oo. Si Cassie tsaka si Brent magaling sa speaking. The rest of you
Pasado,
magagaling,
okay
ha?
na.
Oo, mataas yung score mo niyan. Sigurado yan. Pag ganun ang speaking test mo, mataas yan, sigurado. Okay, most likely mga 7.0 ka dun. Oh, good job, guys.
Pasado,
Okay,
na.
Herbert. Ano ka, Herbert? Mag-speaking test ka, Herbert? Si Herbert kasi gusto lang manood muna eh. Manood muna. Nakapag-book na rin kasi ito ng test pero hindi pa kailan ba yung test nito. Nood lang daw siya muna. Sige, bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng homework, Herbert, ha? Oh, good job, guys. So, yun yung end ng speaking test natin. Tapos, di ba binigyan ko kayo ng ng video ng writing? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng na lang ng writing test. Gawin niyo to. Okay, gawin niyo to. Ano lang ha, 20 minutes. Gawin niyo for 20 minutes. Yung mga hindi pa napapanood yung yung writing task 1, panoorin niyo muna bago kayo magsulat nito. Okay, panoorin niyo muna bago magsulat, ha. Pero yung tapos na, nakapanood na ng video ng speaking, ng writing task 1, sila Brent naman tapos na yan sila mag-discuss eh. So, pwede na kayo magsulat niyan. Pero lagyan niyo ng timer, ha. Lagyan ng timer 20 minutes lang. Okay? May questions? Questions pa? Tamang-tama na sila. January, tamang-tama, wala na naman. Tapos na yung mga last na discussion kasi yung writing task 1. Yun ang pinakahuling discussion sana. Pero sinend ko na sa inyo yung video, 'di ba? So panoorin niyo 'yun ha. Panoorin niyo 'yun. Okay, so yung ano lang papaktisan niyo 'yan, yung reading na lang talaga ha, reading.
Reading.
Reading na lang. Sige.
Ayun
So
na.
magsisend na lang ako ng homework dun sa reading sa GC. Gawin niyo muna yung mga homework. Yung writing task 1,
May
panoorin niyo muna yung
photographic
video.
memory sana eh.
Sir, at saka po listening kung pwede pa.
Listening type,
Padagdag
bibigyan
din
ko
po.
ng homework na listening, oo. Pero basta siguraduhin niyo muna yung reading kasi yung reading kasi may listening, hindi kayo babagsak sa listening. Reading kasi baka posible kasi sa reading ha. Yeah, practice na mabuti sa reading. Okay? Good job guys. Magagaling naman pala kayo sa speaking eh. Wala namang problema sa speaking test nyo. Okay, so ini-expect ko yung mga scores nyo yan, sigurado yan nasa 6 to 7. 6 to 7 yan. Okay, pag nag-improve pa baka maka 7.5 pa kayo, baka 8 pa. Alright? May question pa? Kas, nakabuka na Kas? Kayo ni Brents? Kailan ba test nyo?
Wala pa, sir.
Kat, kailan ba?
Hindi ko pa alam.
Mag-book na kayo.
Hindi pa namin natatapos yung mga sir, binigay mong assignment. Tapos
Tapusin
magbo-book
muna
na
namin,
kami
sir.
ng
Tapusin nyo tapos
Tapusin namin yun.
mag-book na kayo kasi kung
Pag natapos
matatagalan pa,
namin,
baka mamaya kalawangin pa kayo, di ba?
makalimutan na.
Oo.
Third week na lang. Third week. Kat, third week.
Oo.
Take na kayo
Sige,
para
sige.
ha. Third week
Sige.
ng third
Nitong
ngayong
sir.
August.
Ngayong
Third week na
August,
tayo.
sir. Or before. Third week. Before, yung last
Last
week,
week.
sir, yung last.
Pwede
Oo.
last week ha. Pwede last week. Pwede last
Sir.
week.
Tapusin
Okay,
lang muna
sige.
namin yung mga homework at
Okay,
natambakan
sige.
dyan.
Pwede yan. Last week ng
Kaya-
August. Pwede yan. Okay, sige.
Yes,
Good
sir.
job, guys. Good job. Okay, magagaling naman pala kayo. Walang problema na. Sige. Okay, so see you next week. Yung mga si January, yung sa ibang batch, see you next week ha. Kayo, Brands, continue lang sa homeworks. Magsisend pa ako
sir.
ng homework sa inyo ni Kathy. Okay, Ivan?
Yes, sir. Tapusin lang namin.
Practice
Yes,
lang
sir.
Ivan ha.
Thank you,
Practice
sir.
Ivan. Okay,
Yes,
sige.
sir.
Good job, guys. You have a good day, guys. You have a good day. Okay.
Thank you po.
Okay, okay.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
po.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.